the other day, MLA was in town, in the village. Anybody was called among your?
From the panchayat did not get any notice. I was not even aware what was going on till I saw on YouTube and people started calling me. So it would have been better if I was informed. At least the people would have been there. All the people would have been there for the inspection done.
As railway has told that they will Goa Double Tracking, whether you are agree with that, they allow to go.
I feel the railway should show us the plans they are having, how they are going to shift the tracks, and once we see the plans only can we believe them, because all this time we have been asking the RVNL for their papers where they have not showed us a single paper. So how can we believe them?
So this is a matter of trust.
It's a matter of trust, and we want everything legal, right? When we build a house, government asks everything in legal. So as villagers, we also want from them everything in legal.
But one side we see that MLA always say that, and his supporters say that, why don't people come to him?
In fact, our villagers had gone to our MLA, and MLA had taken an appointment with the deputy collector. And when we went, few of us went to meet the deputy collector. As we entered, the deputy collector said, "We have come without taking appointment with him," when MLA had already taken. Anyway, when we went inside, when we tried to show him our papers, especially me, I showed him my paper that proves that the property is up to the tracks. He just flung the paper on my face. How can you even trust such people? You all tell me now.
Right now what we are doing is, we are approaching the judiciary. Already the process is underway. I do not want to discuss that part at the moment. Time will come and you will understand. Another thing I want to state is, I am so glad that I have a panchayat here in Velsam, which is pro people. Most of the panchayats in Goa, you will say, Sarpanch kidre, push hata hai, hata hai. I am proud of my village. Today I can state that this panchayat, even those who are in the opposition, we have 2 or 3 opposition panchayats. I see that all of them are for the village. But several differences astale, but it is still under control. So what I am saying is, panchayat has gone proactive and issued a stop work notice, because those areas where the current work is being executed is in private land, clearly private land. And I have done, Goencho High Court has done survey twice, and I have the report with me. Now you will see the other side of the Goencho High Court.
I am aware of what is happening right from 2017. I would like you, as I go along, to ask me any question pertaining to the track. I will be most welcome to address it.
Tourism. आज गोंया सगळें काळें जालां. ग्रीन गोवा आलो तें आज ब्लॅक गोवा जालां. कित्याक लागून? त्या कोळशा लागून. आज आमकां गोंयच्या लोकांक ह्या कोळशाचो कसलोच बेनिफीट ना. जेन्ना बेनिफीट आहा कर्नाटका स्टेटीक, जेन्ना आतां सांगलां त्या भाशेन कर्नाटका स्टेटीक बार पोर्ट आहा, तेन्ना वेवस्थीत एक बिजनस आहा, त्या पोर्टांचेर तो अनलोडिंग करूं जाता. गोंया भितर हाडपाक गरज ना. देखून हांव सांगता, आमदार आमचो आहा तो, ताका तो दिसता लोकांक सेव करपाक जाय. आयज लोकां आपयले ते भाशेन, लोक येयले ते भाशेन, लोकांक मदें येवचें आनी तें सांगचें. 4 जाणां 5 जाणांक आपल्या बडवो आहाय तांकां कोप मारून घाल, तांकां घेवन येता आनी ती सायडीर वयता आनी दाखयता ही रेल्वे, ही जमीन, ही हें तें आपूण सोदता, कोण हें इचारता म्हणटा कशें ना. बरोबर ताका हे लोकां मदें उतर दी, आपूण रेल्वे बंद करता म्हणून. लोकां तर नाका, आपल्याकूय नाका. आपूण लोकां बरोबर आहा म्हणून लोकां बरोबर जाल्यार लोक हिंग आहा. आयज तो खूंय आहा. कितले पाड आमगेले मनीस गेले ताका आपोवपाक, ते वचोन मेळ्ळे, तो केन्ना येयलो ना. आनी ते थोड्या बोडवान घेवन भोंवता आनी म्हणटा आपूण लोकां बरोबर आहा.
Supreme Court itself has made it very clear that Goa cannot contain the second track, and there is no need for the second track in Goa. And therefore, I request the government of India to pay heed to the suggestions made by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, the judiciary, is the highest branch of governance in the state, okay? I think it is the Supreme Court that tells us what is right and what is wrong. Let us pay heed to the suggestions made by the Supreme Court. Let us protect this little pearl of the Orient and let the people of Goa be happy. We elect a government for our good. We elect a government because we want to better our lives, not destroy our lives.
वेलसावकारांचेर जे रेल्वे डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचें संकट येयलां हें एक्चुअली सीएमान हँडल करूं येता आसलें कित्याक सांग एक्स सीएम आहा तेणी सांगलेलें डबल ट्रॅकिंगाची गरज ना म्हणून आनी हो जो सीएम आहा आमचो तो कोणाच्या आशे खातीर आनी कोणाचें पोट भरपाक हो डबल ट्रॅकिंग करता तें आमकां खबर ना. आयज सरकार लिटरली गुंडागिरी करपाक उठल्या, दादागिरी करपाक उठल्या. डेप्युटी कलेक्टर सपोर्ट करिना, चीफ ऑफिसर सपोर्ट करिना, खंयचे गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर्स आहा न्हू ते गोंयकारांक आमच्या लोकल्सांक सपोर्ट करिना. आमी आतां ऑलरेडी वेलसांवाचें कितें चल्लां न्हू सगळें पळयलां आमी. हेका गुंडागिरी म्हणटा, गुंडागिरी. आयचे जे सरकार आहा न्हू हे गोंयचे आमचे जे प्रॉब्लम्स आहा, जे इश्यूज आहा हे सॉल्व करपाक समर्थ ना आनी तेंचे कडेन हे आमचे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करपाक जावंक ना. आयज कोळसो हो मेजर इशू सारको. ईच एंड एवरी गोंयकाराक कोळसो नाका. फक्त कोळसो जावं हे 40 MLA हेंची पोटां भरपाक जाय म्हणून.